Oh, Boss Teres, balita ko may bago kang alaga ah.
Ito, Hawas Cobra. Tumutuklaw. What is up sa mga mahilig sa pabango? This is your boy, Ode Terence. And here's my guest.
Amoy, piranha.
And welcome sa Amoy
Piranha! What's up guys? So, may nakikita kayong bote dito. Parang may ahas, no?
Guys, ito na yung kinukulit niyo sa amin.
Ang kukulit ninyo eh, di ba?
Ayun, finally, dumating na rin. And
Yes.
as promised, pag dumating, re-review namin. So, ito ang Rasasi Hawas
Black.
Cobra.
Ah, cobra. Ahas.
Black kasi yung bote. Okay. Armin. You want
Sure.
spray ko?
Sure. No problem. So, first impressions.
Mm.
Grabe.
Woo! Lakas!
Oh my God. Ang lakas.
Tumutok lang.
Ang nga, no? Ang lakas niya, guys. That's so powerful.
Right off the bat, ano naamoy mo, Armin?
Parang ginger.
No?
Very
Parang,
soapy ginger.
yes.
Pero parang ginger na parang pinapakulo eh. Parang,
Ako, parang ano eh. Alam mo yung Canada Dry na ano? Yung ginger ale? Yung parang,
may pagka-fizzy.
Fizzy, no?
Ay, sarap nun ah.
Pero ang, grabe no, ang
It's
lakas talaga.
parang into your face eh. Parang pinapakulo na ginger. Parang I would see it as a, parang salabat but in a sabon way.
Ang lakas nung sabon niya, no?
Yung neroli, it's just into your face. So, dito pa lang maaamoy mo na, hindi mo na kailangang ilapit yung kamay mo eh.
Para kang naligo.
Sobrang
Tapos nagkukuskus ka ng sabon.
Oo.
Tapos biglang namatay yung tubig, nawalan yung tubig, tapos
Oo.
natuyo yung sabon sa balat mo. Ang lakas nung pagka-soapy niya, no?
Yung soapy niya, tama ka doon, yung pagkasabon niya. For me, parang it reminds me of, parang may pagka-safeguard din eh. It reminds me of
Oo,
parang
yes.
Al Haramain Aqua Dubai. May
Parang,
pagka-ganon yung sabon niya eh, di ba? Very clean, soapy.
pero parang mas malakas yung pagkasabon niya.
Sobrang lakas nito. Parang dinamihan, parang sumobra doon sa sabon, sa labahan. Ang lakas wow, but
Ang question, does it still remind you of the OG?
actually, little bit, it reminds me of the OG, but parang mas, I don't like the opening, pero since nagbe-blend na siya sa skin ko, through the transition, medyo parang nagugustuhan ko to. Slowly.
Alam mo dati, bago ko bilhin to,
Oo.
sabi ko nga pag nagme-message yung mga viewers natin, Hawas Cobra, review nyo naman,
Oo.
lagi kong sinasabi medyo mababa na yung expectations ko sa Cobra.
Okay.
Sabi ko, parang feeling ko hindi ko na siya magugustuhan. Kasi in terms of lakas, malakas rin naman yung Hectic.
Yeah.
Malakas rin naman yung Essence de Blanc.
Malakas din naman yung Aqua Dubai.
Tapos-
Yung Al Haramain.
Ayun, so, pero alam mo, mahirap aminin I didn't expect na medyo nagustuhan ko siya.
Actually, same goes as well. Actually, I put my expectations on this one talagang sobrang low. Kasi tama si Boss Terence doon. Ang dami na ng imagination. Sabi ko, parang sawa-sawa na ako sa imagination. Pero sa tingin ko, hindi pa rin parang nagpatalo si Rasasi na sabi niya, sige, putik, labas kayo ng labas. Sige lang, go lang. I will take my time. Bigla akong tutuklaw sa inyong lahat. Since, tama yung pangalan, Cobra nga.
Pero ano no, dahil sa ginger, parang mas naging masculine siya, no?
It's masculine and I think the percentage that they put here, the ginger and the neroli note, kasi minsan pag nilalaro mo sa pabango yung neroli and ginger, if you put the percentage, I think little bit higher, once nag-blend na siya, tapos paglalo mo pa siya sa tingin ko in age, mas matapang to. Sobrang tapang niya. Parang pag inamoy mo, sininghot mong malalim, ganito, sakit sa ulo.
Actually, medyo naka-12 sprays yata ako nito kahapon.
Kamusta lang yung 12 sprays mo?
Bakit? As in,
Hindi ko kaya sa...
nagre-radiate siya. Talagang feeling, talagang mapapansin kayo guys pag sinuot nyo to.
Sobrang lakas.
So, do you think it's a blind buy success?
I don't think so na blind by success siya. For me, I think mag-decant muna kayo nito. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. So, I don't know how is so far ngayon, it's already middle notes.
Lakas
Ang lakas pa
ng
rin.
ng
So,
ginger.
oo, medyo matagal yung dry down niya because of the percentage ng ginger and the neroli note, the soapiness. So, mamaya pa to sa tingin ko magta-transition. Pero so far, I think mag-decant na lang muna kayo. Baka you might be off-putting. Baka hindi nyo ma-appreciate tong pabango na to.
Armin, isingit na kaya natin yung request nila.
Ano ba yung request ng mga audience?
Laging, which is, ano ba yung best LV imagination do? So, ano,
Sige, ito ba natin?
gawin na natin grand finals today?
Oh.
Isabong na natin
Oh,
silang
sige,
lahat.
grand final, para matapos na tong boxingan na to.
Sige.
Diyos ko, Lord.
Guys, again, this is trying to clone LV imagination, no?
Oo.
Now, sige, labas mo yung mga...
Nasaan ba dito? Ayun!
mga
Go!
Labas mo yung mga dupes mo dyan.
Essence de Blanc.
Al Haramain, Aqua Dubai.
Hectic. Bujaraimi.
Marwa. Arabiat Prestige.
Ay, grabe naman.
So, which is the best? Armin,
Oh my gosh, nakakalito na.
guys, for those who don't know, lahat to, may mga individual reviews na kami dyan. So, you might want to check it out for a more in-depth review.
Yes.
Para hindi na humaba yung video namin. We will just focus we will try to answer yung lagi niyong tinatanong which one is the best.
Yes.
Okay? So, Armin, ikaw, anong pinaka gusto mo sa lahat?
Is it top 1, top 2, top 3, or there's no particular order?
Ikaw, bahala ka.
Okay,
on
sige.
how you would like to narrate it.
For me, I will narrate it in the best imagination for me. If pag-uusapan natin na if kuha ba isang pabango dito or dalawang pabango, yung kuha ba niya yung top, mid, dry down, like kung paano nag-umpisa, unang buga mo pa lang ng imagination, nakuha ba niya transition going to middle na so dry down? Wala. None of them got exactly 100% imagination. Of kung sino man nagsabi ng reviewer na yan, 1:1, that's bullshit. There's no such a thing like that. Okay? Unless they hired Jacques Cavalier from Louis Vuitton and they try to hire them and put a perfume, same ingredients yung gamitin but for the fraction of the price, doon ko sasabihin 1:1. Pero hindi wala eh. For me, I will rate it as parang may pagka-similarity, mga 90-ish% sa imagination. But for me, so far, top 1 ko, way back before top 1 ko was Marwa, but nagbago na ngayon. For me, pipiliin ko, top 1 ko, I think, Rasasi Hawas Black.
Uy,
Top 1.
surprising.
I'm enjoying the Rasasi Hawas Black. It's not because of the beast mode projection niya. It's not because parang mas huli siya kaysa dito. Siyempre, he has that advantage of how to blend perfectly yung imagination para matalo niya lahat. No, it's not like that. But I think this is for me the best, number 1. Number 2, I would go with Hectic Bujaraimi. Okay? And number 3, Essence de Blanc. Okay? Top 3? Top 3 lang ba?
Ikaw.
Top 3? Top
Gusto
4?
mo i-rank lahat. Go
Top
ahead.
4, Marwa Arabiat Prestige. Tapos top 5, Aqua Dubai by Al Haramain. For me, so far, this is my ranking when it comes to the composition ng scent, how they really blend to perfection ng imagination. But again, they are not 1:1 clone. There's no such a thing like that. Okay? Yun lang yung masasabi ko. Now, I will ask si Boss Terence. Boss Terence, ikaw ba? How would you rate it itong mga to na meron ka? Since lahat to, itong mga bote na to, itong perfumes, lahat to kay Boss Terence except tong Essence de Blanc kasi hindi niya nadala yung Essence de Blanc. Sabi niya, dali mo yun sa'yo, Armin. Sabi ko, sige, dadalhin ko yung Essence de Blanc ko. Now, which one is based on your ranking? Ikaw na bahala,
Guys,
Boss
ganito.
Terence.
Disclaimer wag niyo aawayin si Armin. Kanya-kanya tayo, may kanya-kanyang hinahanap, may kanya-kanya tayong ranking.
Yeah.
Pero just for the sake na pinressure nyo talaga kami na i-rank,
Yeah.
so that I told Armin, try to rank it.
Yeah.
Pero ako, I'll try to take a different approach since, yun nga, I own the OG bottle.
Yeah.
So, I will agree with Armin eh. Na-realize ko, wala talagang 1:1 eh. Parang may certain ingredients sila dito na hindi talaga nila na-replicate eh. I think it's exclusive nga doon kay Jax Cavalier.
Just Cavalier. Walang magkokopya niyan. Imposible yan. Unless pumunta ka doon sa, ano yun? Laboratory ni
Yes.
Jax Cavalier, nakaawan mo yung formulation niya.
Now guys, I won't rank it na lang. Kasi for me, I will still keep this. Kasi sabi ko, kung talagang nakahanap ako ng isang pabango na talagang very close sa kanya, I'm willing to sell this eh. But no, this I will keep. Now, hindi ako magra-rank. Pero I will just attempt to answer yung mga questions nyo sa mga previous contents namin.
Yeah.
Okay. Medyo, ganito pag-explain ko Yung mga big deal dyan, nakaamoy ng OG, I would group it as ganito. Kung closeness sa OG yung pag-uusapan, itong dalawa. Arabiat Prestige, Marwa,
Yeah.
and Bujairami Hectic.
Mm-hmm.
Now, between these two, kayo nang bahalang mamili kung anong gusto nyo, but straightforward lang in terms of performance, ito talaga mananalo between these two.
Mm-hmm.
But, in terms of pagka-similarities niya sa OG, sa akin lang. Because Armin has a different opinion. For a time, ang sabi niya mas close to sa OG.
Yes.
But for me, mas kamukha talaga to ng OG. It's just that don't expect, lalong-lalo na head-on namin siya kino-compare sa mga high-performance na dupes.
Mm-hmm.
Hindi talaga high-performance si Marwa.
Skin set lang siya.
Oo. So we have to respray and respray. Okay, ngayon, performance. Kung performance ang pag-uusapan natin, itong tatlo yung ilalapag ko. Okay?
Yan ang performance.
Essence de Blanc, Bujairami Hectic, and Rasasi
Hawas Cobra.
Okay. Ngayon, again, closest to the OG, si Bujairami Hectic. Pero, ang next ranking ko, ipapasok ko ngayon dyan si Al Haramain Aqua Dubai.
Yeah.
Because this three, napansin ko, correct me if I'm wrong
Yes.
parang ito yung mga may twist sa
May
imagination
twist.
DNA.
Ang ganda ng pagka-twist eh.
This one, mas spice heavy, mas ginger heavy.
Mm-hmm.
This to me is, again, I always say na nag-emphasize siya sa fruity notes, adding the melon notes para maiiba siya.
At yung sabon niya,
So, ito more on sabon and ginger.
Ginger.
Ito naman more on fruity melon and sabon.
yes.
Ito naman, tea.
Black tea.
Black tea talaga.
And little
solid.
bit, may pagka,
Oo.
lemon iced tea.
So, preference nyo na lang guys kung anong gusto nyo. Mas maglilin ba kayo sa scent profile ng fruity melon and soap, ginger soap, or strong tea. So, ganyan ko siya parang kinompare. Now, you make your choice. Now, kung tatanungin niyo ako ano yung best, sasabihin ko na lang sa inyo personally anong pinaka-ginagamit ko. Okay? Pinaka-ginagamit ko dito, drum roll. Pinaka-ginagamit ko dito is itong dalawa.
Oh.
This one, third bottle ko na, as
Yeah.
mentioned sa previous video. This one, may backup bottle na ako dito. Again, kung napapansin nyo, ito yung mga medyo nag-veer away kumbaga, they have their twist.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, yun nga yung conclusion namin ni Armin, wala naman talagang 1:1
Yes.
sa imagination. So ako, since parang I was blessed with the opportunity to own all, mas dun na ako napunta sa twist ba.
Oh, okay.
So ito, parang it will remain sa throne.
Yeah.
Wala pa rin eh. Wala pa rin talaga
Wala.
makapag-replace dyan eh. So ako personally, dito yung boto ko. Itong dalawa.
Yan dalawa na yan.
Oo.
Oo. If you would, my next question is, if you would pick a one fragrance ng clone ng Imagination sa Middle Eastern category, which one would you keep it and the rest toss it out there?
Or guys, ganito na lang. Total, alam ko marami pa ring magdi-disagree sa amin eh. Let's start the conversation. Ano ba talagang gusto nyo dito? Or baka meron naman kaming hindi na ilapag dito
Oo.
sa listahan.
Yes.
But again, before you mention, kaya lang rin namin pinili mga to. Actually, meron pa kaming mga iba na dapat na ilalagay eh. Pero we decided kung ano yung ilalagay namin dito, ito yung parang pinaka-readily available sa market.
Yes.
And yung medyo consistent yung pricing nila within reach ng buyers.
Yeah.
Kasi may mga iba dyan, yes, okay rin, kaso medyo mahal
Mm.
or mahirap naman hanapin.
Yeah.
Parang ganun. So this, I think, is readily available sa market.
Yes. Yun lang masasabi namin. And ang pinakamahal, the most expensive perfume out of all the clones here is Aqua Dubai Al Haramain.
Ah yes, buti na na-mention mo yung pricing.
Yes, this is the most expensive. Nasa 3, 5, 4K ish siya, no? Or
Yes,
mga 5K
yes.
naglalaro. Depende sa price point ng mga nagnenegosyo dyan. Pero itong mga to,
Hindi naman nagkakalayo.
hindi siya nagkakalayo. Parang naglalaro lang siya between 2K to 3K, yung price ranging. Depende kung may mga vouchers kayo dyan, discounts, at kung sino ba nagbebenta dyan nito mga to. Okay? So, yun lang yung masasabi namin about dyan. And I am really happy na Imagination is the new guapo scent rather than being parang puro Aventus na lang eh. So, parang there is a new king in the fragrance community, which is Imagination. But, correct me if I'm wrong. For sure, you might disagree with me. Baka awayin nyo din ako dyan. Walang problema doon. I will respect that. Siyempre, para sa inyo, Aventus pa rin. Pero for me, parang hindi eh. Iba pa rin ang datingan ng Imagination OG rather than the clones out there. Let me know in the comment section down below. Do you really love Imagination? Would you pay for a big amount of money? Or you would rather just spend your money on the clones out there? Let us know in the comment section. Anything else, Boss Terence?
Guys, follow me, Ode Terence.
Please follow him, and we really, really appreciate your big support, guys. Till next time, Fragrance Family, love ya.